Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English University School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 9, and our today's topic is Chapter-1, Lesson-7 discussion. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 7 and there is no SW. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will discuss from Chapter-1 and Lesson-7, and our today's topic is Shirk. So my dear students, let's start. At first look at the board. My dear students, today we will discuss from Chapter-1, Lesson-7, Shirk. Our today's topic is Shirk, partnership with Allah or polytheism. And page number from 15 to 17. Okay, my dear students, let's start. Shirk, here is written Arabic form as shirku. Shirk literally means to believe in a partner, to believe in a plurality of creators or gods. In the Islamic terminology, it means to associate somebody or something with Allah or to regard them as his rival or equivalent. One who does so is called a mushrik or polytheist. Shirk is the opposite of Tawheed. Allah the Most High himself refutes the idea of shirk. He says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Qul huwa Allahu ahad. Meaning, say, O Prophet, He is Allah, one and only. Surah Ikhlas, verses number 1. Shirk or partnership with Allah may assume 4 forms. For example, that means, my dear students, there are 4 kinds of shirk. There are 4 forms of shirk. So now we will read these 4 forms of shirk. Number 1, to associate partnership in the entity and existence of Allah the Most High. As example, to think Isa alayhi salam as another god, then it is the example of this thing. Then, my dear students, number 2, to assign a partner or a rival in the attributes of Allah the Most High. Then number 3, to take some other entity for Allah's partner in the management of the universe. Then number 4, to raise a parallel in the matters of worship. To rise a parallel in matters of worship. My dear students, this is the 4 kinds of shirk. We have learned that there are 4 forms of shirk. Okay, now we will read evils of shirk and its remedies. Evils of shirk and its remedies. Okay, my dear students, look at the board. Shirk is a grave sin of all sins on earth. Shirk is the most heinous. Allah the Most High says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Inna shirka la dhulmun azim. That means, meaning, verily shirk is the extreme tyranny. Surah Luqman, verses number 13. Allah the Most High is very displeased with the polytheists. He will not forgive the sin of shirk. Allah the Most High says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, Inna Allahu la yaghfiru an yushrika bihi wa yaghfiru ma duna dhalika liman yasha. Meaning, surely Allah will not forgive the sin of shirk. Besides shirk, He may forgive any other sin of whom He so desires. Surah An-Nisa, verses number 48. Shirk is an unforgivable sin. All have to be aware of it. If one commits shirk even by mistake, one must restore iman immediately. We must necessarily avoid shirk and become dear to Allah with a firm faith in Him. My dear students, we know that Allah has Himself said in the Holy Quran, Inna shirka la dhulmun azim. That means shirk is the one kind of tyranny. So my dear students, Allah will, if Allah wants that, Allah will forgive all of the sins of a person, but the sins of shirk Allah will not forgive. So my dear students, we always try our best to refrain any kind of shirk. It is our first and foremost duty. It is our important duty to refrain ourselves from shirk. So my dear students, you know that today is our lecture number 7 and there is no SW. So my dear students, you will read about shirk from chapter 1, lesson 7 from page number 15 to 17 very carefully. My dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.